Question 341. What techniques do you use to encourage participation from all team members during meetings? To ensure full participation, I employ techniques such as round-robin sharing, where each member has a chance to speak, and anonymous feedback tools which reduce hesitation. I also create a psychologically safe environment, encouraging risk-free sharing of ideas. Using visual aids like digital whiteboards can stimulate engagement, and breaking the team into smaller groups for discussions can help quieter members voice their thoughts. Regularly rotating meeting roles can also empower individuals to take ownership and contribute actively, fostering a culture of inclusivity and mutual respect. Question 342. Describe an experience where you successfully resolved a conflict within a team. What was your approach? In a previous role, I encountered a conflict between two team members regarding project priorities. I facilitated a mediation session where both parties expressed their viewpoints. I guided them to focus on shared goals and encouraged active listening. We identified common interests and collaboratively developed a compromise that incorporated both perspectives. By framing the issue as a team challenge rather than a personal dispute, I helped restore trust and cohesion. This experience reinforced the importance of empathy, open communication, and a structured approach to conflict resolution in maintaining a productive team environment. Question 343. What tools do you find most effective for facilitating collective work and why? I find tools like Miro for brainstorming and collaboration, Slack for real-time communication, and Jira for project management to be highly effective. Miro allows teams to visualize ideas collectively, promoting creativity. Slack facilitates quick discussions and updates, breaking down silos. Jira aids in tracking progress and aligning tasks with team goals. Additionally, using video conferencing tools like Zoom enables face-to-face interactions that foster stronger relationships. Each tool serves a distinct purpose, enhancing communication, transparency, and accountability, ultimately driving team effectiveness and project success. Question 344. How do you approach setting up a continuous integration, continuous deployment (CCD) pipeline for a new project? Setting up a CCD pipeline begins with understanding the project's requirements and the development team's workflow. I start by selecting appropriate tools like GitHub Actions or Jenkins, ensuring they integrate well with existing systems. Next, I define the pipeline stages: code integration, automated testing, and deployment. Implementing version control is crucial, so I establish branching strategies to manage code changes efficiently. I also emphasize the importance of automated testing to catch issues early. Finally, I document the pipeline thoroughly, ensuring that team members can easily understand and maintain it, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Question 345. Can you explain how you would measure the effectiveness of team collaboration? Measuring the effectiveness of team collaboration involves both qualitative and quantitative metrics. I use surveys to gather team feedback on communication, trust, and engagement levels. Tools like Net Promoter Score (NPS) can gauge team satisfaction. Additionally, I analyze productivity metrics such as task completion rates and cycle times to identify bottlenecks. Observing interaction patterns during meetings and collaboration sessions can provide insights into dynamics and participation levels. Regular retrospectives also help teams self-assess their collaboration efforts, fostering an environment of continuous improvement and accountability. Question 346. Describe a time when you had to adapt your facilitation style to accommodate a diverse team. I once facilitated a project kickoff for a culturally diverse team with varying communication styles. Recognizing the differences, I adapted my approach by incorporating a mix of direct and indirect communication methods. I encouraged team members to share their preferred communication styles at the outset, which helped tailor discussions to accommodate everyone. Additionally, I utilized visual aids and collaborative tools to bridge language barriers. By fostering an inclusive atmosphere where everyone felt valued, I ensured that diverse perspectives enriched our planning process. This experience underscored the importance of flexibility and cultural awareness in facilitation. Question 347. How do you handle a situation where team members are resistant to adopting a new tool or process? When facing resistance to new tools or processes, I first seek to understand the underlying concerns by facilitating a candid discussion. Listening to their feedback is crucial, as it may reveal valid apprehensions. I then provide context for the change, emphasizing its benefits and how it aligns with team goals. Offering hands-on training sessions can alleviate fears and build confidence. I also encourage experimentation and allow for a trial period, during which team members can provide feedback and suggest improvements. This collaborative approach fosters buy-in and ultimately leads to a smoother transition. Question 348. What are the key elements you consider when designing a collaborative workflow for a software development team? Key elements in designing a collaborative workflow include clear communication channels, defined roles, and accountability measures. I emphasize the importance of using project management tools to track progress and establish timelines. Additionally, integrating regular check-ins and retrospectives helps maintain alignment and reflects on improvements. I also consider the need for flexibility. Workflows should accommodate changes and feedback. Establishing a shared repository for documentation and code is essential to ensure transparency and knowledge sharing. Ultimately, a well-structured workflow enhances collaboration and drives team success in delivering high-quality software. Question 349. How do you ensure that the team remains aligned with the organization's strategic goals during collaborative work? To maintain alignment with organizational goals, I facilitate regular strategy sessions where team objectives are discussed in relation to the wider company vision. I encourage teams to set measurable goals that directly support those objectives. Utilizing visual management techniques, such as goal boards, helps keep the team focused and accountable. I also promote transparency by sharing updates on organizational priorities during team meetings. Regular feedback loops, including retrospectives, allow for adjustments as needed and ensure everyone remains engaged with both immediate tasks and long-term strategic aims. Question 350. Describe your experience with cloud technologies and how they support collaborative work. My experience with cloud technologies, such as AWS and Azure, has significantly enhanced collaborative work by enabling real-time access to shared resources and applications. Cloud platforms facilitate seamless collaboration among distributed teams, allowing members to work concurrently on projects without geographic limitations. I leverage tools like Google Workspace for document collaboration and Trello for project tracking, promoting transparency and accountability. Furthermore, cloud technologies often integrate with CI/CD pipelines, streamlining development and deployment processes. The scalability and flexibility of the cloud support agile methodologies, enabling teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements and fostering a culture of innovation. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture. achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.